Hello folks, here is a 48-inch Casablanca Four Seasons Gallery Edition, and I was lucky enough to find this fan in its original box. It was an estate sale find of all places, so I was very fortunate to find that. And as you can see, the fan's in pretty good shape. We'll get a closer look at it later, but it definitely was stored in a wet environment, like in the basement or something, or a really humid attic. There are some imperfections on the finish, which is slightly unfortunate because, the fan's never been used. So, but anyway, it'll clean up. And I do want to put this somewhere in my house. I've always liked the Four Seasons. I remember seeing one of these at a ski rental shop up in New Hampshire when I was little. Whenever we went to go skiing for a weekend or the week, we'd rent skis for the week. And one of these was sitting at the top of the stairwell at this local ski shop, except it had walnut blades and it had a different light kit, but it was antique brass and it was RMM1. I remember seeing the IT control in there. I think it's still there to this day, but I haven't been there in years. So anyway, fan was made July 11th, 1985, and it was the 420th fan made that day. It has B45 antique oak blades and G701 smoke bevel glass shades. Obviously, since this is a gallery edition, the glass and the light kit came with it. I'm not sure if the blades did. The blades, they may have bought separately, but I think that was pretty standard issue on all Casablanca fans. Whenever you bought a fan, you'd pick the blades out yourself. So, all right, well, we'll go ahead and do demo mode. And these are the original light bulbs in the fan that came with it, and they still work, which is pretty cool. Very cool. So there's speed 1. Inteli-Touch always offered a really nice range of speeds. I'm not sure what that beeping was. Might have been the dryer next door. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. this is where it starts wobbling. The fan has a little bit of a wobble. Speed 5. And speed 6. And while we let it coast, we'll go ahead and get a close-up of it. One thing I did find odd is that the it doesn't say 4 seasons on it. And it looks like, if you look real closely, you can see that the model name was scratched off the tag. So, quite odd, but doesn't take away from how cool it is. Definitely do want to use it. I kind of want to put it at the top of the stairs, but I do need I either need to swap the board out on this fan, or I need to get 2 W12 wall controls that can be hooked up in a 3-way circuit. So I'll have to mull that over. But anyway, cool piece. Thought I'd share it with you all, and I thank you for watching.